We're at the beautiful Dockweiler RV State Beach Park. But one of the things I do like to do in places we go is pick up trash. So as you see, there's a lot of it, different places, bottles, plastic, snacks. So I'm going to fill up this bag and then I'm going to sit back and watch the sunset. I know it's just one bag, but think about it. If everybody that went to the beach took one bag and filled it up with all the trash that's laying on the beach, that could be millions of bags of trash that doesn't go back out in the ocean. So keep it safe for beautiful views like this and for all the animals that are out there. Take much time. This is a heavy bag of trash and there's still a lot more. So yeah, anytime you go to a beach or a park, first of all, pick up after yourself, but it takes a few minutes to just grab a bag, fill it with some trash, and we'll dispose it over there in the trash dumpster. But if everybody did that, the world would be a much better place for it. Thanks for watching.